This video we are putting together the Easter rabbit box card. So this is a very quick and simple card, goes together just like the unicorn box card. So I'm going to start by inking some of my pieces here. Using a darker red also on this. I'm going to go around the edge of the center with an orange. Did not mean to do that with red. I want to use my pink. There we go. So I'm going to put the face together first. Start by gluing the mouth and nose together. And I think that I want to use a foam dot on the nose. I know I'm going to use it for the mouth, but I think I want to use it for the nose too. I'm just trying to line things up the way to make my bunny look happy. There, I think I like that. There we are. Get my head in here a little bit so I can make sure I've got these eyes on straight. this down. I'll put the nose on. There we are. And then I'm just going to slide my teeth in here. Excuse me. And put my flower together. Gracious. I have a tickle in my throat. So I'm putting my foam dot down on my bunny head first. And then I'm going to apply my flower. And then we just have to do the insert. And I'm going to do a little inking around her ears. And then glue them in place. So very straightforward. Hold the tabs, so now let's insert them into the card. So apply glue to your tab, leave your tab out straight, put it right up against the fold for the side of the card. And I like to stand it up so I can make sure that it's level. And then just glue that down. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. And push that on there. Glue it down. Apply. And my tab is going to slide right in here. Trim that off. I'm going to glue that down, do both ways. And see, very quick and simple, the Easter Bunny box card. Thank you.